area. Stop running and surrender now.
Subject 10392, turn yourself in or be neutralized.
Yeah? You'll have to catch me first, you jerk!
Ada, the automated data analyzer, is the most powerful computer ever built. INAC technology inside.
Mandy, Clark.
Hi.
Hello.
Are you well rested? Remember that you need 8 hours of sleep to tackle your day with plenty of energy. My fellow citizens, we have a new Edge Travel Grant winner. His name is...
Hey, isn't that Gus?
Augustus Rainey, a 31-year-old senior account manager at INAC. Soon, Gus will be enjoying Fiji's pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. I hope he packed an Aloha shirt and a pair of sunglasses.
That's weird. Gus was never interested in any of this.
Our lounge area is available during the entire day. A 10-minute break might help you free your mind and relax. Remember that you can apply for the Edge Travel Grant too. The only requirements are that you must be of legal age and have an insatiable wanderlust. Request the application form via ordinary mail or AdaNet.
Well, I guess I'll have to send all these Ada memos by myself now that Gus is gone. I'll be working extra hours thanks to your improvised vacations, mister. Oh, come on! I didn't even save. Hey guys, did you lose your... What? Gus is dead. What on earth? What's happening? What does this mean? Am I supposed to follow the arrows? Oh, wait. I can't get into the Ada room. My clearance level isn't... What on earth? Is somebody listening to what I'm saying? Mannequins? Wait, they're storing mannequins in here? This looks like the backstage of a TV studio.
Because it is, Trevor. This is American Arcadia's backstage.
Okay, who are you, and how do you know my name?
There's an earpiece on that table in front of you. Put it on so we can speak directly.
What is happening? I don't understand.
I don't have time to go into all the details right now, but long story short, if you don't get out of Arcadia right now, you're going to die. Like Gus.
What?
I know this must be a shock, and I promise I'll explain everything to you later, but first, we have to get you out of here. Move forward, please.
Hey you, whoever you are, I don't see a way around here.
There is a wardrobe case back there. Bring it here and climb on it to get to that platform. Use your ID card to call the elevator. That'll get you to the top of the INAC West Gemini Tower.
I don't have clearance to get to the upper levels of INAC West Gemini, much less make it to the top.
Trust me. Do it.
Okay, whatever. Oh boy, that doesn't sound good.
This shouldn't be happening.
No matter how hard I try, I always have an awkward expression in my ID photo. The weather forecast predicts a blizzard for the next 3 days. Yay! I have to admit that changing the billboards was a bit theatrical, but that's the way I am, I guess. The hallway to the server room is tracked by 3 surveillance cameras. I need to get close to the cameras and upload the loop footage from my cell phone. But I have to be sure the right video is uploaded to the right camera. All the videos are uploaded and playing the loops. I can enter the server room now. Damn it, Gene locked his office when he left. And I don't know his passcode. Shit. No, thank you. I've had enough sugar
Boasting
today.
about being an ass. Par for the course for Vivian.
Damn it, Gene locked his office when he left. And I don't know his passcode. Shit.
Oh, look at this. I can't believe it. You're an absolute disaster when it comes to security measures, Gene. But thank God for that.
Ta-da! Door open. Okay. I'll just log in here and grant Trevor access to the... Shit. Those Tackleberry assholes are coming down. Listen to me, Trevor. Forget about the
Hey, I can't see anything in here.
Oh, jeez, man. Is that better? Let's try to find a way out of here. Trevor, are you wheezing? You're in terrible shape, man. Don't you get any exercise at all?
No, not since PE in high school. Because of my metabolism, I don't easily gain weight, so I don't usually do any.
Okay. I'm not here to judge your lifestyle or your dietary habits. Just save your breath and keep going, will you?
No traces, subject 10392. Proceeding with interception protocol in the backstage area.
Acknowledged. Avoid breaking the fourth wall at all costs.
Who are those guys? They look like sci-fi cops.
Those are interceptors. They get rid of problems inside Arcadia.
Would get rid... Do you mean?
Yes, Trevor. I mean, they kill people. People who try to escape, and people who help others escape.
My fellow citizens, we have a new Edge Travel Grant winner. His name is Trevor Hills, a 28-year-old account manager with no friends and a boring life that nobody gives two shits about.
God, you're so mean, Vivian.
I'm sorry, I just can't help myself. I know the rules. All grant winners must be publicly announced, blah, 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 but honestly, I don't see the point in it. Who cares about this guy? Anyway, let's take 5 and we'll record it in one go, okay?
Vivian Walton is a horrible person!
I think evil bitch describes her better, but yeah, she's a horrible person. Sorry, man.
Oh god, this is really high.
Would you please calm down, Trevor?
I shouldn't have gotten out of bed today.
In which case you'd already be dead by now. Just don't panic and let me think of something. Trevor? Trevor, you're doing all right. Okay, just keep going. That's it. See? It wasn't that bad.
I just realized that I don't even know your name or why you're doing this.
I'd rather not give you more details right now, for safety reasons. But you can call me Kovacs.
Kovacs? Like my turtle?
What? No, man. Kovacs, the Hungarian scientists and architects of tomorrow. Science always finds a way and all that, you know?
Oh, yeah, Arpad Kovacs. I was a huge fan too. I named my turtle after him.
Dude, why do you keep bringing your turtle into this conversation?
Well, I just thought, forget it. Now what?
Now what? Just jump over the gap and move forward.
Are you sure? If I miss, I die.
Oh, come on, Trevor. Even my grandpa could jump that.
Subject 10392, hold it right there.
Oh shit, the interceptors are here. Jump now!
Ah!
Stop immediately.
Run! Keep running, for God's sake!
Turn yourself in or you'll be neutralized.
Get over that crane, Trevor, quick!
The crane!
Yes, trust me!